Hi, scholars. This is Miss C, and it is writing time. Go ahead and shout, it's writing time. We'll be focusing on interactive writing throughout our lesson.
Materials.
You will need a paper and pencil for our learning today. We have 2 new learning targets for our lesson. Please follow along with me as I read them. Our first learning target says, I can make new words using base words and the prefixes m and n. The second learning target says, I can write a sentence using 2-syllable words spelled with E and O, words with the prefixes m and n, and high-frequency words.
Transition song.
Can you build a word from scratch? A word from scratch, a word from scratch. Can you build a word from scratch using many parts?
Word work.
Today we will look at base words and prefixes. Let's read some word parts and decide where they go on our chart. The first word is correct. Is correct a base word or prefix? Correct is a base word. We can add affixes to this word to change its meaning. Here's our next one. In. Is in a base word or prefix? In is a prefix. That means not or no. Possible. Is possible a base word or prefix? Possible is a base word. We can add affixes to this word to change its meaning. Visible. Is visible a base word or prefix? Visible is also a base word. Here's our last one. M. Is M a base word or prefix? M is a prefix that means not or no, just like in. The prefix M is used before base words that begin with the letter B, M, or P. Get your paper and pencil ready so that we can build some words. Let's go. The first prefix is in. The base word is correct. When I put the prefix in with the base word correct, what new word do I make? Incorrect. How does the prefix in change the meaning of the word correct? Incorrect means not correct or not right. Go ahead and write down the word incorrect on your paper. All right, here we go. The prefix is M. The base word is possible. When I put the prefix M with the base word possible, what new word do I make? Impossible. How did the prefix M change the meaning of the base word possible? Impossible means not possible or not able to be done. Go ahead and write down the word impossible on your paper. Here's our last one. The prefix is in. The base word is visible. When I put the prefix in with the base word visible, what new word do we make? Invisible. How did the prefix in change the meaning of the base word visible? Invisible means not visible or something that cannot be seen. Go ahead and write down the word invisible on your paper. Great work, friends.
Transition song.
Do you know the words we'll write? The words we'll write, the words we'll write. Do you know the words we'll write on our papers today?
Writing.
For our last activity, let's use words that have the schwa sound spelled with E and O to write a silly sentence. Here are some words that you can use in your sentence today. Starting from the top, we have brother, discover, monkey, front, love, happen, open, frighten, and awaken. Don't forget to start your sentence with an uppercase letter and use ending punctuation. I'll leave this list up while you write and try to use at least 3 words in your sentence. Good luck. All right, here's the silly sentence that I came up with. If you awaken to a monkey in front of your face, you should open the door and not frighten him. Do you see how I used an uppercase I at the beginning of my sentence and used a period for my ending punctuation? I also have a few schwa words in this sentence. Let's try to identify them together. Starting from the top, we have awaken, monkey, front, open, and frighten. I want us to reread this sentence together as fluent readers. Here we go. If you awaken to a monkey in front of your face, you should open the door and not frighten him. Great work, readers. Try to share your work with someone else and keep up the great work.
Closing reflection.
What knowledge and skills do you have now that you did not have earlier in the year? Try writing more sentences with words that have the schwa sound spelled E and O to make a silly story. I am so proud of how much you've grown throughout this year, and I can't wait to see you next time.